Albert Einstein was once in a conversation. He said, "We have a ship that's filled with all the luxury, all the comfort a man needs. But the one thing that was missing from it was a compass. It was not knowing where it's going." The same paradox every human being is facing. We have taller buildings but shorter temper. We buy the things which we don't need to impress the people whom we don't like. The same technology that brings us close takes us far away from the people we are actually close. Millions of messages are sent daily, but actually people are very lonely. The paradox of modern world is we have more knowledge but less judgment. We have more degrees but less sense, more experts but fewer solutions. We are aiming for higher income but lower moral values. The irony of our time is we have guided missiles but misguided people. We have come all the way from moon and back, still we struggle to fight against our own thoughts. But how do we bring a change? Constantly ask yourself, why am I doing? What am I doing? And what's important? Always start with the end in your mind, which means to start with a clear understanding of your destination. We can dissect this paradox by pressing the pause button and then restart. Taking a moment to understand our consciousness. Let's just track back again to Albert Einstein. He once said, "We can't solve the problem which we are facing today by the same thinking we used when the problem was created." If we don't do something now, we take every step forward is a 3-step backward. What do you think about having a direction in life? Please let us know in the comment section down below, and please consider subscribing The Brainy Bear.